Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best mop head replacements are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a truly clean home, transforming a basic cleaning tool into a powerful germ-fighting machine that can tackle everything from everyday spills to deep-seated grime, ensuring your floors not only look spotless but are hygienically sound for your family's well-being. Number 5. Rubbermaid F11612 Premium Cotton Wet Mop Head. Experience exceptional cleaning power with its highly absorbent 4-ply cotton construction. This mop head is designed to tackle spills and messes effectively. Its cut-end design makes it ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. This mop head offers an economical and practical solution for general-purpose mopping. Designed for convenience, this mop head is non-launderable. Simply wash and wring it out in a bucket for easy maintenance. Make an eco-conscious choice with this mop head, made with up to 100% recycled content. It's a sustainable option for your cleaning needs. This mop head is perfect for a variety of surfaces including vinyl tile, laminate, hardwood, and concrete. It's a versatile tool for any cleaning job. Proudly made in the USA with global components, you can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. It's a reliable choice for your cleaning supplies. What we like. This mop head is made with absorbent 4-ply cotton for general-purpose cleaning. Its cut-end design makes it economical and practical for everyday use. If you are looking for a cost-effective option for regular floor maintenance and don't need to launder your mop heads, this is a great choice. What people say. This is an industrial mop head. You can put them through the wringer, and I have been using mine for almost 4 months, and I do not see any wear and tear or even the smallest signs of use. The size is for large surfaces and the absorbency is unbelievable. It holds so much more soapy water, and it really got the job done. It's so worth it to know that it will get really clean. They are heavy-duty with thick strands. The mop head is the perfect size for mopping too. It's not too heavy but it's cotton which when wet gets heavy. That is to be expected. The strands absorb water very well and the head is also very easy to install on a mop. Number 4. KLEEN Handler Heavy-Duty Commercial Mop Refill, 3-pack. Introducing our heavy-duty mop head replacements, perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs. This pack includes 3 16-ounce mop heads designed for industrial, commercial, and even residential use. Crafted from durable 4-ply cotton and blended fibers, these mop heads offer excellent water absorption for effective cleaning and quick drying. They are built to withstand long-lasting commercial use. Our looped-end design minimizes lint, fraying, and tangling, ensuring a smoother glide across your floors. The tail-band construction enhances strength and coverage for efficient cleaning. These mop head refills are designed for a universal fit, compatible with both clamp-style and side-loading mop handles. The moisture-resistant headband ensures faster drying between uses. Maintain peak performance with mop heads that are launderable up to 100 washes. This extended service life makes them a cost-effective and reliable replacement solution. Perfect for a wide range of settings, including restaurants, warehouses, schools, offices, and hospitals. They are versatile replacements for various types of string and commercial mops. What we like. Featuring durable cotton string with a looped-end design to minimize fraying and tangling, this mop head offers excellent absorption and retention. It's also launderable up to 100 times for extended use. If you need a heavy-duty mop head for commercial or industrial settings that can withstand frequent washing and repeated use, this is the one for you. What people say. This 3-pack comes with each mop head individually vacuum-sealed in space-efficient wrap. The fibers are soft and highly absorbent. The benefit of these heads is that they are absorbent, inexpensive, and machine-washable, easily renewed and reused. These commercial-style heads hold more water, mop up more mess, and make mopping move faster than most residential heads. These mop heads are wonderful. No more long strings swinging out and getting hooked on every corner. I've purchased these 2 times now and they hold up incredibly well. Most mop heads leave a lot of lint behind when mopping, but these are lint-free, washable, and last forever. Number 3. Commercial Blue Microfiber Tube Mop Head, 1-pack. Experience unmatched absorption with this mop head. Its remarkable capacity makes it perfect for professional cleaning tasks. This mop dries surfaces 3 times faster than traditional cotton mops. It's ideal for quick spill cleanup on hardwood, tile, concrete, and more. Switch to the superior cleaning power of microfiber. This looped-end design offers the most efficient cleaning technology available. Keep your high-traffic areas spotless with ease. It swiftly handles wet, snowy, or muddy messes, ensuring sparkling floors. Enjoy enduring performance with this durable mop head. It's machine washable and designed to withstand heavy use, offering long-lasting value. Elevate your cleaning routine with this advanced mop. It's a reusable and heavy-duty solution for all your hard floor cleaning needs. What we like. This microfiber mop head boasts superior absorption and a rapid drying action, making it 3 times faster than cotton mops. It's ideal for tackling high-traffic areas and spills quickly on all hard surfaces. If you prioritize efficiency, speed, and advanced cleaning technology for maintaining sparkling floors in busy environments, this is the superior option. What people say. This microfiber head shows no signs of degrading after 1.5 years. This head also seems to retain water better after wringing rather than dripping like the cotton heads did. Super absorbent. Leaves no streaks, easily the best mop head I've used so far. Microfiber Warehouse's mop holds lots of water, which makes for a heavy mop that easily scrubs dirt, stains, etc. It equally allows easy hand wringing, making for a solid performer. Number 2. KLEEN Handler Cut and Finish Mop, Pack of 6. Introducing the KLEEN Handler Cut and Finish Mop, designed for maximum absorption and a perfect finish. This pack includes 6 mops. Crafted from a premium 4-ply synthetic blend, it offers superior absorbency and strength. Its advanced technology ensures exceptional liquid absorption and release. This mop head replacement is engineered to release liquid faster than traditional string mops. Achieve a smoother, more even floor finish with every use. Featuring a universal 1.25-inch headband, it seamlessly fits both clamp-style and side-loading handles. Handles are sold separately. Perfect for commercial, industrial, and residential settings. It's an essential tool for all your cleaning and janitorial needs. What we like. Crafted with a premium synthetic blend, this mop head offers exceptional absorption and release properties, designed specifically for applying floor finishes. It releases liquid faster than conventional string mops for a smoother, even finish. If you are involved in floor maintenance that requires precise application of finishes and a streak-free result, this specialized mop head is your best bet. What people say. Works pretty neat on the carpet. Mop heads are handy to have on the shelf ready to use. Fit standard pop head, lightweight. Gives a even clean look. Number 1. OFO Loop and Cotton String Mop Head, 3-pack. Experience a mop head designed with a tangle-free, loop-end construction. This feature ensures maximum floor contact for a superior clean. Crafted from high-quality, double-thick cotton yarn, it quickly absorbs spills and tackles messes with ease. Make your daily cleaning routine simpler. Replacing the mop head is a breeze. Simply use the thumb wheel to secure it in place and open the side gate for quick swaps. This versatile mop is ideal for both home and commercial use. It effectively cleans tile, marble, concrete, and wood floors. Count on this heavy-duty mop head for all your cleaning needs. It's built to handle tough jobs in any environment. We stand by our product with a 60-day warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This heavy-duty mop head features a looped-end design with double-thick cotton yarn to prevent tangling and maximize floor contact for superior cleaning. Its easy installation mechanism makes replacement a breeze. If you're looking for a versatile and robust mop head for both home and commercial use that offers great absorbency and is simple to attach and detach, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Quality is good, perfect weight, size is just right for my mop handle. It is easy to care for by just washing it in the washer and air dry. Good quality mop heads. I have used them for about 6 months now. After each use they are cleaned in the washing machine and hung to dry. Still sturdy, not falling apart or knotting at the ends like some do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.